It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home, home, home. It feels like home.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making banana bread with Luke. When I say we, I mean Luke is going to be making banana bread. Let's get started, but first we want to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. So the first thing you want to do is peel your overly ripe bananas. These are really, really good. I even like them when they get completely black. It just adds more banana flavor. And this is a banana bread recipe we call Graham's Banana Bread. It's not our Graham's Banana Bread, but it's John's best friend's grandmother's banana bread. And we have been making it, well, I have been making this ever since John and I got married. It is our absolute favorite. And every time we have overripe bananas, this is pretty much what we do with them. So it's super, super easy to make, and it's quick, and it's really, really delicious. So you just want to get all of your ripe bananas into a bowl and then mash them up with your fork. I'll throw these away. Just get them good and mashed. Good. And you really want to leave some nice big chunks of banana in there. That just makes the banana bread taste a whole lot better, I think. Good job. Sometimes we even do this part with a mixer, just the mixing of the bananas, because it goes really fast if you do it like that, but Luke's really strong, so I thought we'd just let him smush them. Good. So sometimes if I have 4 bananas, I use that. If I have 2 bananas, I might add a little bit of extra butter to the whole mixture, but it's a really, really forgiving recipe. So this is just a cup of sugar. Get that good and mixed together with the sugar. I'll take that. And then you can go ahead and once that sugar is starting to come together, you can put in the egg. This is a banana bread recipe that you really cannot mess up. Farm fresh egg, just laid this morning. So we've got the banana and the sugar and the egg mixed together, and it looks really pretty well combined. We want to make sure that there are no big hunks of the egg left in it at all. That clear spot is the white of the egg. There you go. Okay, so now that that's all together, we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of melted butter. And I actually have doubled the butter. You can get by with a 1/4 cup of melted butter, but you know me, I like lots of butter. Good. And then I would say I am almost completely out of vanilla, so you can add the entirety of that vanilla. There you go. So probably about a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Delicious Madagascar vanilla. So I just get it pretty well incorporated. And then I put in all of the dry ingredients. I start with the flour. That to get our measurements, but here they are. So once you put in the flour, you want to very carefully just kind of take your other ingredients and shake them over the top. So a teaspoon of baking soda. good. Go ahead and just sift that over the top. And then also a teaspoon of salt. A scant teaspoon of salt, I would say. So scant means a little bit less than a whole teaspoon. So we use a combination of salts, a little bit less. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Shake it on over there. And then I just take my finger and kind of get those things to come together so that we don't, just my finger, so that those things don't come together in a big lump in the batter. But like I said, this is super forgiving. All right, go ahead, Lee. So you can pretty much do this. We're doing it as an after dinner bread, but you can do it as a breakfast bread. It takes about a little longer than an hour in the oven to bake. So you may want to start early in the morning if you want to have that for breakfast. Otherwise you can have it for lunch or just for a snack. But it really could not be simpler to pull together and bake, and we literally make it all the time. It has some lumps, but it still is going to be just perfect for our banana bread, and it'll leave lots of delicious, strong banana flavor. Look at that delicious batter. Well done, Luke. Okay. So we're just gonna put that in the oven at 325 very carefully, right in the middle of the oven. And close it up, and then we're gonna hit timer for 110. So for 70 minutes, basically. And that's it.